Hello everyone, welcome to Soft Learning. Today we are going to learn inputs in Python. Inputs. Input function is used to get the data from the user by giving prompt. For example, let's create a variable name as name equal to input with set of parentheses. Input function is used to get the data from the user. Okay, inside the parentheses you have to put double quotes or single quotes. It's your choice. Okay, inside the double quotes or single quotes you have to enter a prompt. For example, let's say enter your name. Okay, colon and space, it's optional, you can use it or else leave. Okay, print double quotes name is like this, name is colon, then put comma and name of the variable name. Okay, then click the run button, you will get a prompt, enter your name, let's say Saf, then you will get name is Saf. Okay, let's go to the integer data type. Let's ask a data from integer type. Let's say variable name as age equal to input, enter your age like this, enter your age, then print age is comma age, and you will get enter your age, then say 19, and you will get age is 19. Okay, let's do an exercise. Say sum of two numbers. Okay, sum of two numbers. Okay, so create a variable name as a equal to input, inside it enter a number, say number. Okay, number, and create one more variable name as b, variable name input, enter another number. Okay, then c equal to assign the value of a and b, the sum of a and b is in c variable, then print c, and you will get like this, enter a number. For example, let's say the number is 8, enter another number, say 6, and you know the sum of 8 and 6 is 14. Okay, but you will get 86. Why? Because the let's check its data type. Okay, let's check the type of c. Okay, type of c, then click, uh, let's say one more time, 4 4, and you will get the C type is string. Why? Let's take a real example. Let's take a real life example. My mom said to me to get the data from him. What I'm gonna think, the data may be video, image, audio, or number, or his name, or his address. Okay, and if the person said to me his name, if the person tells me his name, then I'm gonna assign a value and a variable person name equal to abcd like this. Then if he said his number, then I'm gonna create a variable name as person number equal to 1 2 3 4 5 like this. But in input function, it doesn't know what is data and what is integer, what is number, what is string, what is float, nothing it doesn't know. Okay, then how we gonna calculate the value? How we gonna sum this those values to assign like this? Let's say my mom said to me, get his phone number. Okay, then I'm gonna ask, just give me your phone number, or else I don't need anything about you. Okay, like it, we have to add int as a data type. It will only ask data int data type only, otherwise it show error like this. Okay, let's put it int and int, and now let's run it. Oh, wait, just terminate. Let's remove the type, then print, enter a number, let's say 100,000. Okay, enter another number, say 20, then you will get 1020. Okay, same as it is for floating point 2. For example, wait, let's comment it these things. Otherwise, it will be asking again and again. Okay, let's do for the float. Let's create a variable name as pi equal to. Here, instead of using int, you have to use float like this. Float, then open and close the parentheses, a set of parentheses. Inside it, input function. Inside the input parenthesis function, you have to enter the prompt. Enter pi value. Let's say pi value. Okay, and print inside the parenthesis the pi value is like this, put comma, then variable name pi. Okay, then click enter pi value, say 3.14, and it will give the pi value is 3.14. Okay, what happened if I put floating values or floating point data type value in integer data type? It will show the error. For example, let's say age. Let's comment the age variables and comment this pi values. Okay, print enter your age. Let's say 19.5 is my age. Okay, then it will show 19.5 age. 19.5 is age. Why? Because I'm not assigned the int in the age values. Okay, let's assign it int, then put the parenthesis, the stuffs, then now enter your age, sorry, grammar mistake. Okay, 19.5. Look out, there's the error. Why? Invalid literal for int function. It may have the number must be in whole number. It won't take the floating points. This is the mistake we have shown. For real, let's print 2. It will give answer. Okay, let's print and say enter your age a. It will show the error. Okay, hope you understand. Don't forget to hit the like button, share it, subscribe it. Thank you.